can select tremor, slowness, dyskinesia, or all to display an average of all three. The color and height of the bar corresponds to the severity of the symptom, as described in the legend on the left. Medication and exercise events are indicated by the pill and running icons. Swipe left or right on the screen to move forward or backwards in time. In the upper left, you can select to display results by different time periods. Additionally, you can zoom in on a specific time interval by tapping on one of the bars.